I'm very proud to announce today that MiTek Australia are doubling our manufacturing capability. We're going to 15,000 square metres. We're leasing the site next door. We're also investing in 3 new presses, which will double the production capacity of our posies. It'll increase our overall stamping capability by 1/3. We're also building a full automation experience centre where customers can come and experience firsthand our automation offer. In addition to that, we're also building a facility to train our customers, our partners, on the use of Sapphire and other software tools that we will launch into the future. Increasing local manufacturing of automation, a big investment by MiTek on the back of our expansion in New Zealand with a brand new purpose-built facility. It also makes for a safer environment for our employees and anyone visiting site. Very exciting announcement today from MiTek. Thank you.